2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, heated front seats, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.